Hi, I'm Nunu, and welcome to Too New For You, or so it seems. So today is day 5 and 6 of Vlogmas. So today I decided to show you my sewing themed Christmas tree. Now today I was going to film this video with my Christmas hat, but guess what? I couldn't find it. Don't know where it's at. You know what? Let me just take some ribbon and wrap it around my head and get started. And that's exactly what I did. What? You don't believe me? Let me show you. You're going to take the ribbon and just tie it in a little bow, in a little knot. You can do a bow if you want to. Now don't make it too tight because you don't want to get a headache. Now these braids is old as Methuselah, but I'm trying to get a little bit more wear and tear out of them. You know what I'm saying? You feel where you have the first ribbon, and then you just want to place this like just right on top, and then just tie this in a bow as well. So now you have a festive headpiece. Ta-da! Gonna make the braids look just a little bit better? I think so. But anywho, let's get started in my DIY Dollar Tree supplied sewing themed Christmas tree. The supplies that I used was just $1 store tree. Yep, the ones that's $1.25. I grabbed 2 sewing kits, and then I also grabbed some tulle. I used the items that was inside the sewing kit, and most of those items were pink. So I thought I should do the tree in pink, black, and white. Now when I think of pink, black, and white, it reminds me of Hello Kitty. So Hello Kitty was my theme. So I went and got a fat quarter, and then I decided to add that to the tree. So I hand drew a little sewing machine. I hand drew about 4 of them. And then I wanted to attach the fabric to the sewing machine and then put it on the tree. You're just gonna cut it out like this and just leave the little top, that little part so it can stick like that. And then just put it on there so it look like it's sewing the fabric. And this is how it turned out. I took one of my tape measures and I tied it into a bow with the tulle, and then I added some buttons on top. I'm sorry, my camera died on me, so I wasn't able to record that part, but this is how it turns out. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think? Is it too new for you? I sure think so. And now for part 2. Day 6 of Vlogmas. Let me show you a quick, easy DIY that you can do for your sewing space or for your table. You have to try this. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is grab this little guy from the Dollar Tree. This one of those little elves. You want to grab him and you're just going to cut him right in half. Then you're going to take a table runner. What you're going to do is you're going to attach one piece of the guy to the front of the table runner and then the bottom piece to the other side of the table runner. Let me show you. You can sew this or you can also glue it. Just depends on your preference. So I just cut them in half and just glue. Then I took a little bit of tulle. I ended up making a bow for the top of the hat. And then I also made her a tulle skirt, of course. So, okay, so I just glued the little buttons on the hands. I just thought that was too cute. And then okay, she's all done. Now let me show you how I sewed it. So this is how I sewed it. Thank you so much for taking time to spend with me for Vlogmas Day 6. And let me know down in the description box, what else would you like to see for Christmas? Bye.